Today we live in a globalized world where people of different cultural backgrounds meet every day. Culture plays a vital role not only in interpersonal relationships but also in a business context. While negotiating a trade deal with a foreign partner or applying for a job in an international company, we sometimes tend to ignore the peculiarities of culture-driven behaviors that can actually help us achieve our goals. By learning how to understand a person representing another culture and how to properly react in situations that are unfamiliar to you, you will prepare yourself for your future professional life. In foreign companies, their ability to work with colleagues from different countries is considered to be an essential tool that is used daily as the basis for successful business activities. Knowing why a person behaves in a certain way is an asset that can and should be used as an advantage in any professional situation. This course will allow you to find the key to increasing your competitiveness by acquiring cultural knowledge through a series of lectures and tasks. You will learn about different communication styles, business models, and cultural aspects of business communication.